Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the window expert. Today I'm going to talk to you about the pros and cons between triple pane and double pane glass. So I've been doing this for a while, and in the South where we are, we rarely sell triple pane glass. But in the North, if you live in the North, you're going to find that triple pane glass is probably something that maybe you should consider for your home. So today in our little experiment, I thought I would just kind of start by showing you what the spectrometer has to say. It's an unbiased third party. And I have a double pane piece of glass here. This happens to be the Cardinal Low E 366. Low E 366 means that it has 3 coats of low E and a 66% light transmission, what we call VLT, visible light transmission, can come through there. So this particular unit, if I put it up here, you'll see that we've got ultraviolet is kicked all the way down to 4%. Now that's great because ultraviolet is going to damage your floors. It's going to change the color of your furniture. It's going to give your kids cancer if you let them stand in front of the window all the time. So ultraviolet goes down to 3%, 4%. Visible light transmission is at 62%, 61% as you see in this test. And then the infrared, that's the part that actually heats your house. The infrared rays are the ones that heat your home. That is down to a 1% infrared ray penetration. That's amazing. And then, of course, the solar heat gain, that's how we measure how much heat is that allowing to come through. The lower the number, the better. You see it's a 0.28. Now, if we take a single pane of glass all by itself and put it in here, you can see these numbers change from being 100% down to ultraviolet. 73% of the ultraviolet gets through. So even single pane glass with no coating, no treatment at all, does reduce the ultraviolet light by about 25, 26%. Now what else happens is visible transmission, meaning how much light is getting through, goes down from 100% to upper 80s. Here it is at 87, 88. And then of course the infrared, which is what's stopping the heat, which is why people want to buy new windows in a lot of cases. You can see it only brought it down to 80%, 81%. So no wonder single pane windows are so hot all the time. And then of course solar heat gain is 0.84 compared to what we had a minute ago. What a drastic difference. So you say, Jeff, that's double pane, that's single pane. This is clear glass, this is treated glass. What if I had triple pane? Well, there's one way to find out, right? Now people are going to say, oh, you should have had a triple pane unit. This is a triple pane unit. It's not a triple pane built from the factory unit, but this is what triple pane gives you. It gives you one additional layer of glass, and I'll explain in just a minute, okay? But this is what we get now. So I'm going to put that in there, and if you notice our numbers, we're going to put them up on the screen so you can compare. Now the ultraviolet rays went down to 3%, okay? Visible transmission, though, is down to 52%. You can see we lost some light doing that. And infrared light is down to 1%, which is terrific, but what's the benefit there? None really. And you can see the solar heat gain coefficient is down to a 0.26%. So if you're thinking about heat, this is really not a good option for you. A triple pane window would not be a great option for you. I would not do that. I would go with a double pane window. Now you say, Jeff, but wait a minute, what if we did a coating of some kind on that third pane? Would that help? The answer is yes. However, just so you know, it will reduce the light even more, right? Our light right now was all the way down to a visible transmission of 51, 52%. That's going to put it in the mid 40s. The UV, ultraviolet, is going to go down maybe to a 0.1 or even completely gone, but not much of a difference. And then, of course, the infrared, how could it get any better? I mean, it's going to be no better than 0.1. I guess you could go to 0, but you really wouldn't notice it. So am I a fan of triple pane? I'm really not a fan of triple pane, but there are some circumstances where triple pane is beneficial. Are you ready for those? You want to write that down? By the way, before we go any further, I want you to know that if you live in the Houston area or DFW, you can visit our store. We would love to sell you windows. We'd love to be a part of your project. If you don't live in that area, you can check out thewindowexperts.com, where I have a long list of wonderful window companies all over the country. I probably know somebody near you on that list that can help you find a great window for your home. So what are the benefits to a triple pane? Okay, there are a couple of them. One, sound reduction. Hands down, a triple pane window is going to give you better sound reduction than a double pane window. Second thing, a triple pane window with laminated glass, hard to find, but you can get it, is even better for sound reduction. So if sound reduction is important to you and you don't want to go with a big sound reduction window, I've got a video about that where I really get into sound reduction. You should check it out. It's up here and down below. If you don't want to go that route, heavy duty King Kong style, Triple-Pane is going to help you. Triple-Pane with laminate is really going to help you. Now, what's another benefit to Triple-Pane? Well, Triple-Pane actually does help in colder climates. It really does. It helps U factor be reduced. This tool, I don't have a tool. I don't know if anybody makes a tool without actually doing real world testing that can tell you what the U factor is going to be on a window. But U factor is how fast am I losing my heat from my house? A Triple-Pane window will reduce the U factor so that it does come down. And typically speaking, we do these simulated tests. As you can see here from this test, we did a Pella window with Double-Pane, a Pella window with Triple-Pane, and you can see how this did reduce my U factor pretty good, but not amazingly great, but it did pretty good. And also you can see how it increased my STC rating by quite a bit. So that's the benefits to Triple-Pane. Now, what are the negatives to Triple-Pane? The negatives to Triple-Pane is cost. Oh my gosh, the cost. Some people say, oh, it's only 10, 15% more. It's not. In most cases, it's around 30%, can be as much as 50% more. Now, if you wanted to add laminated glass to it, it's going to really raise that price quite a bit. And the other negative to it is that it is much heavier glass. By the time you add a third pane of glass, more difficult to install. Heavier glass means that you need to have a more robust frame to accommodate the heavy glass, which sometimes means that within a product line, they won't do a Triple-Pane. They'll have to kick you up to another product, a higher tier product that has a bulkier, stronger frame, which means you're losing more glass space, of course, which I hate losing glass space, but to accommodate the heavier glass. Another thing you're going to find is when Triple-Pane glass, it's usually not going to be like this thick. This is a 7/8 inch thick. Usually you go to an inch, you go to 1 1/8 inch, maybe even 1 1/4 inch. I've even seen some 1 3/8 or 1.5 inch units, which means you need more wall depth in your house, a deeper construction in order to accommodate that bigger window. So you watching this video, if you don't live in really cold climates where it gets really cold a lot, and you got some fancy salesman coming into your house saying, you don't want Double-Pane, I've got Triple-Pane. It doesn't mean it's better. It does mean it's more expensive. It does mean it works better in colder climates. But as you saw in our test, if you're in a warm climate or especially a hot climate, Triple-Pane is not going to help you. It's going to make the house darker. It's going to make the window heavier. It's going to make the glass thicker. It's going to make the price go up. And you just don't need that. I hope this has been helpful. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and we will see you again real soon. Have a good day.